Stellar is a decentralized, open-source network designed to make money transfers faster, cheaper, and more accessible across the globe. The Stellar white paper outlines how the protocol addresses inefficiencies in today's financial system, especially in cross-border payments, by creating a network where value can move between users, businesses, and institutions without friction. At its foundation, Stellar operates as a distributed ledger that records ownership and transfers of digital assets. Unlike systems that rely on proof-of-work mining, Stellar uses a unique consensus algorithm called the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, which is based on a federated Byzantine agreement model. In this system, nodes reach agreement not by competing to solve cryptographic puzzles but by building trust through quorum slices. Each node selects other nodes it trusts, and consensus emerges as these slices overlap. The design allows the network to achieve security and reliability even if some participants behave maliciously, while also delivering fast finality and low energy usage. One of the key goals of Stellar is financial inclusion. Billions of people around the world lack access to affordable banking and remittance services. Traditional international transfers often involve multiple intermediaries, high fees, and delays that can take several days. Stellar was built to solve this by allowing direct asset transfers that settle in a matter of seconds with minimal fees, often just fractions of a cent. The white paper emphasizes that Stellar is not limited to its native asset, Lumens or XLM. Instead, it was designed to support the issuance of any tokenized asset, from fiat currencies and stable coins to commodities or even loyalty points. Anchors, which are trusted entities on the network, can issue tokens backed by real-world assets. These anchors act as bridges between traditional financial systems and the Stellar network, enabling users to deposit, withdraw, and exchange assets seamlessly. The native token, Lumens or XLM, serves two important purposes. First, it is used to pay for transaction fees and prevent spam on the network. Fees are intentionally kept very low, ensuring that the system remains accessible for microtransactions and large-scale transfers alike. Second, XLM acts as a bridge currency for cross-asset transfers. If a direct market does not exist between two currencies, the network can automatically route the conversion through Lumens to complete the transaction. This makes Stellar flexible and able to handle a wide variety of exchange pairs without requiring deep liquidity in every market. The governance model of Stellar is community-driven and open source, ensuring that no single entity controls the network. Updates to the protocol are proposed, tested, and implemented in a transparent manner, and development is supported by the Stellar Development Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to maintaining the codebase, growing adoption, and building partnerships. The Foundation's role is not to own the network but to foster its health and expansion, ensuring that Stellar remains a public good. Performance is another major advantage highlighted in the white paper. Because the Stellar Consensus Protocol does not require energy-intensive mining, it can process thousands of transactions per second with settlement finality in just a few seconds. This performance, combined with very low costs, positions Stellar as a viable infrastructure not only for remittances and payments but also for tokenization projects, decentralized applications, and even central bank digital currencies. Several governments and institutions have already explored issuing digital fiat on Stellar because of its efficiency and compliance features. The white paper also underscores the flexibility of the platform. Stellar can be used by small businesses to pay international suppliers, by individuals to send remittances back home, or by large institutions that want to tokenize assets and trade them on a transparent, global ledger. Its design allows both permissionless innovation and regulated financial activity, bridging two worlds that often operate in parallel. In this sense, Stellar aims to be the infrastructure layer where different types of assets and users can meet, transact, and settle securely. In conclusion, Stellar's white paper presents a vision of a financial network that is decentralized, scalable, and accessible to all. With its unique consensus mechanism, support for tokenized assets, low fees, and focus on inclusion, Stellar positions itself as an efficient global payment system. The Lumens token ensures smooth operation of the network while enabling asset conversions, and the governance structure ensures transparency and resilience. Whether used for remittances, institutional finance, or digital innovation, Stellar represents an alternative to traditional banking rails. For more insights on distributed ledgers, consensus mechanisms, and the future of digital payments, remember to like, subscribe, and keep learning here at Blockchain Reaction.